Hey everyone, how you all doing? Wish you a very happy and special new year. And as promised last year, we are going to bring you a lot of giveaways on this channel in 2022. So watch out for that. And the first giveaway of this year is going to be what you see in front of you. Yes, these are the Gotham comics. Some of the people whom I know, for them this is like a fan favorite. They just love, enjoy and collecting them. And the giveaways I planned as the first one are this set of Gotham comics, which you guys can see in front of me. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up and show these comics one by one so that you get a glimpse of what's part of the giveaway. And at the same time, I'm going to explain to you what are the conditions of this giveaway contest, right? So very simple, not going to keep it any complicated. Number one condition, and by the way, I'm going to leave all these conditions on the description as well. The first one, you need to be a subscriber to this channel, right? Which is very simple and straightforward. So that's something I'll check. The second one is that you guys need to tell me on the comments below why you love Gotham comics, right? And is there any personal association to it, or like what made you start collecting Gotham comics, right? Is there some nostalgia? And that's something which I would love to know, and I'm sure many of the others would also. The third one is this is right now only for people who are staying in India, because I'm going to only ship it to those customers who have an Indian local address, right? So that's the one limitation of this contest. So very simple, three conditions: subscribe, comment, and your shipping need to be in India. Cool. With that criteria out of the way, what we'll now do is go to the conditions. How am I going to pick the winners? Well, one winner will pick himself. Now I'm going to show you some sample pages of the Gotham comics. So in case you've not seen them, just watch out these pages so that you get to know what's inside. Right. So the first one is the person with maximum likes to their comment which they leave below this video is going to automatically pick himself as one winner, right? So you get the maximum number of likes for your comment, get your friends to like it, get anybody to like it, right? So maybe if you made your comment so awesome, then people will like it for themselves. So maximum number of likes for your comment, that person will be one winner. The second winner, and you can also get your friends share it so that they also come to know of it, and then they could also be a winner, right? The second criteria will be, I will be picking somebody based on the comments that they have left, on the comment that I felt is the most genuine, or this is the person whom I feel is the most deserving of this Gotham comic set. So that is going to be my second winner. So that's something I would decide. And the third one is purely going to be a lucky draw, right? So anybody who has subscribed and commented, any of you guys could be a winner. I have no clue. So I'm going to do a random pick, and whoever that is, that's going to be my third winner, right? So there are some very interesting comics, as you guys can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away 25 Gotham comics. Yeah, you heard it right. 25 of them, which is a big lot. So maybe I'll divide it something like maybe 9 for one person and 8 for the other two, something like that, right? So everybody is happy. But and you can see the black and white Tarzan as well. So all different kind of stuff is there. So what you get is something which I don't know. You may get any of the Gotham comics, so I cannot give you any promises. So that's something I'll pick, and whichever is lucky for you, you are going to get it, right? So I hope all the rules are clear. All the criteria is clear. If not, I'm going to leave it in the description. Read that once again. But very simple, straightforward. Be a subscriber to the channel. Like the video, comment, and tell us all why you love Gotham and why you are the ones who is deserving of this fantastic comics. Now, when will you get to know this? I'm planning a month's time within which I'll announce the winner. I'm hoping by that time this channel will hit 1,000 subscribers, which is not many subscribers away. So I want to club this in such a way that I give away it right at the 1,000 subscribers on this channel time, right? So that everybody is happy and it's a good going for the channel itself. With that, I'm going to wrap up this video. Many more videos to come. Do share the joy of collecting. Until next time, this is Street Smart Joker. Bye bye.